What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to stop OneDrive from syncing automatically. OneDrive's automatic syncing feature can be incredibly useful for backing up your files, but there might come a time where you no longer want your files to be synced or backed up to the cloud. First, open File Explorer on your computer. On the left-hand side of the window, you will see a list of folders and drives. Look for the OneDrive icon in this list. Once you find it, right-click on it to bring up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings under the OneDrive menu. On the Settings menu that opens, click on the Sync and Backup tab located on the left-hand side. Here, you will see various options related to OneDrive's sync and backup features. To stop syncing your files, turn off the toggles under the Sync and Backup section. This will prevent OneDrive from syncing your changes automatically. If you also want to stop specific folders from being backed up, click on the Manage Backup button. A new window will show the folders currently being backed up to OneDrive, such as your desktop, documents, or pictures. To disable backup for any of these folders, simply turn off the toggle next to the folder name. Once you've made the changes, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the window to apply your updates. And that's it. Your files will remain on your local device without being uploaded or synced with the cloud. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.